Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've been following along with the tutorials, you should now have successfully installed and activated your HubSpot account and linked it together with your Outlook. I would like to give you now a quick overview of how your Outlook is going to work now with the HubSpot add-on. So, if I'm going to give you an example here, I'm going to make a new email. So when I click a new email, you're going to notice you have now a BCC, which stands for a blank carbon copy. So that blank carbon copy, it's connected to your HubSpot account, and that is exactly what this is doing here. So every email that you send over that has a blank carbon copy is going to be synced together to HubSpot. In case you don't want to do that, you can simply delete, and the email is not going to be synced. Or alternatively, you're going to see here at the top, you're going to see log on CRM, which is going to be the log of email on the CRM. So if we uncheck that, and also track email, which is going to give a quick pop-up message telling you that the receiver has opened your email. You can also not track that in case you don't want to, but I recommend just keeping both checks. And when you click log on, you can see the blank carbon copy comes back here. So I'm going to send an email to my friend Dan, and you're going to notice whenever you click a name, his profile already populates here my screen. So that's the profile from HubSpot, and that can be very useful for when you're following up all the conversations that you want to see what you have talked already to your lead or to your learner. So you can see here, we can see here information about Dan, his email, telephone number. These are the fields that we have captured from the contacts page from the video we have watched before. Open information. Is it any deals we have with Dan? No deals at the moment. Tasks. We can create a task here for Dan, or if there was any tasks created, they would show up here. So let's just put contacting them about coursework. So we made a task. If something is completed, you can also check the box here. That will also going to be populate into the CRM. On the timeline here, you can see Daniel, the recent activities that you've done with Daniel, and tickets, which we'll cover in a later video. But if you send an email here to Dan, so I have just sent an email to Dan. Now I logged into my account on HubSpot, and I'm checking our contacts into the CRM database. I search for Daniel Jones, and I open up his profile. And as you can see here, the tasks we have created on Outlook have already been populated here inside the CRM. And also the emails we have sent are being tracked here. So that's an overview for the HubSpot plugin on Outlook.